Hi guys, it's Bean. I don't have a real plan for what I want to do with my nails today, but they're pretty bad because I chewed off the polish from my last manicure. So I'm going to clean up the cuticles and then we'll get started on something. I'm going to use this OPI green and this ORLY glitter polish. I know that for sure. So let's just get started cleaning up around my cuticles since I kind of made a disaster of them. I'm going to do a quick pass with nail polish remover just in case when I picked off the nail polish I didn't get everything off. And then I'm going to go wash my hands and I will be back to start the manicure. You may have noticed that we have a special guest here. I'm going to start just adding a Charlie cam. This is my kitten. She is a tortoiseshell Maine Coon mix of some sort. I rescued her, but she never leaves my side, so I've decided to just include the Charlie cam. Okay guys, I think what I'm gonna do is like a French manicure type of thing where the green is the base and then the gold is like the white tip on all my nails. So at least that's a little bit Christmassy, right? So I'm going to go in with the ORLY-Bonder that I pretty much almost always use. So this green color is by OPI and it's called Suzi, the First Lady of Nails. Since I colored outside the lines, I'm gonna clean up a little bit before I put the glitter on. I'll do the tips with this ORLY-Halo. It's got some small glitters and then a little bit bigger glitters, but they're all kind of small size glitters. So first I'm going to just brush this on the tips and then I'll use another brush to kind of bring it down so it's sort of like ombre color. Now that I have the tips completed, I'm going to use this 4965 brush from Dynasty. It's actually just an art brush. I got it at a local art store here, but it's the same brush I just used to clean up. I'm not using anything special. And I'm gonna start here at the tips, even though I just did them, and I'm gonna like kind of slowly bring it down to just kind of give it an ombre effect, and maybe fill in anywhere on the tips that I want more glitter. Sometimes when I do this, I feel that it doesn't look really nice, but once I put the top coat on, I really like the way it comes out. I will use the ORLY-Won't Chip as my top coat. Here's the finished product. I'm pretty happy with it. A little bit Christmassy, but not the obvious red that everyone paints their nails every Christmas. I like the green. Green's my favorite color. I actually just bought this color today. I really like it. It's just pretty plain and easy. I'm not really extravagant, I would say. I'm just kind of boring. I'm a boring person. Plus, I've been pretty stressed out this week. I've had a lot of family stuff going on with my extended family. They're not doing very well, so I've just been pretty stressed out, and you can really tell that my nails and just my hands in general have been neglected. My hands are super duper dry. I just haven't been taking care of them. Anyway, this is week 2 of the nail growth journey. I'm not sure how much they actually grew this week just because I wasn't able to take care of them really well. Now, if you guys try this manicure out, you can tag my Instagram. I will leave that down below. It'll be cool to see if any of you guys try this look. I'd love to see it. But thanks guys, thanks for watching. Also, I hope that you enjoyed seeing the Charlie cam. I think this is gonna be a regular thing. And I'm also trying to get some friends to come in so I can do their manicure. With everything that's going on in the world, that's a little difficult, especially because my family and most of my friends have direct patient care and work for the hospitals. So it's a little risky to bring anyone in, but that's the goal at some point in time. Thanks again, guys.